Hello everyone, this is Deb Your Websites, and today I'm going to show you how to create the side menu, floating side menu, with HTML and CSS and really a little bit of JavaScript. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I really appreciate your support. Okay, we need to create some structure here, so let's do it. We basically need our side menu, so side now. Let's add some ID, we will need it in future, site now. Okay, great. Let's create our close item, which will be close our side menu. Okay, let's add some JavaScript following. Okay, doesn't matter what it is, just add it. Okay, great. So let's write our close. So let's create our structure, which will be like this. Okay, we inside A and followings. Okay, I used plugin Emmet for Sublime Text, so I can do like this. Probably you can't. About, so you need to write it manually. Blog and contact. Right. So we had our site now. Now let's create the button which will open our site now. Container and button open. Great. So now let's create some main styles. H1 main content here. Let's add some lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum. Let's just copy something like this. Okay, and let's add few paragraphs so we see something more real. Okay, just like this. Okay, so let's style it. I forgot to add container here. Let me do it. Container. Okay, and close container right here. Right. Okay, looks good. Now we need to style it, so let's do it. With CSS, use our class from site now, and let's add some styles. We add background. Let's add width to 15. Okay. What else we can add? Okay. Height 100%, make it full width, z-index 1, position fixed. Okay, so you see it's overlapping now. So what else we can add? Top 0 and left 0, so it will be in this corner always. And let's add some transition animation for our slide in effect. Okay, great. Okay. So now we can style our menu, which is like this. Okay, let's copy and paste it here. Padding 0. And here let's add color white. With style none. Great, and let's add some padding. Padding 8 pixels. 64 pixels. I'm not sure how it will work. Okay, too big padding, and let's add the font size 24. Okay, great, but I don't like this huge padding, so let's do like this. Okay, now we need to style our close button. Close button is here, so let's add class close button. Okay, now we can style it. Close button. Color white, text align right, display block. Okay, so let's add same padding as here for our close button, so it looks same padding space here and here. Great, so we have it, but I don't like space above, so let's make it like this. Bottom and right will be Okay, just like this. So now what we need to do is hide it. So let's write with 0. Just here, with 0. Okay, we don't see it. And now let's style our open and main content so we see something more real. Main margin top 4%. Okay, and this button, let's do open button. Open button will be like button. Button will be cursor pointer. Okay, and border 1 pixel solid like this. Max width 250 and text align center and padding 60 pixels. Great. Let's do some background, same as our button, and let's do color white and font size 24 pixels, same as our menu. Great. So let's add some hover effect. So you see I really click it. Open button, hover, opacity like this. Okay, like this. Okay, let's add some transition here for smooth animation. Transition seconds. Okay, we have it. And let's add some margin top 4%. Great. Now let's add our JavaScript. We finish it with styling. You can add your styles. You can add here some icon, just right here, any way you want. It doesn't matter. So now let's add our JavaScript. On click should be function close now, and open button should be on click, should be function close now. Oops, sorry, open now. Now let's create these functions. For it we need to write our script and write our function open now. This is structure for function, as you know, with JavaScript. And let's write document get element by ID. Let's find our ID for site navigation. This is our site navigation, as you know. This is the structure, and let's change with style. We changing style with. So on click we call this function close now, and this function gets element site now, this element, our sidebar, our side menu, and change style with to 50, for example, same as we styled it. Let's click it. Okay, we have it. Now let's do close function. Close now. Just for the same structure like this, so we can copy it, but change style with to 0. Okay. Let me check CSS. We here did mistake. We wrote transform, but it should be translate. Sorry, transition. Transition is for smooth effect. So let's click it. And now let's click close button. Doesn't work. Let's debug what is the issue. On click, open now. On click, close now. On click. Okay. Misspelled. Let's click it. And let's close it. Let's add more content to main area so we see how it works with bigger page. Okay, we have something like this. Let's add more to have bigger scroll. Click open, and now we see scroll and the side menu in same time. If you want to change styles, make it more, change width, just make it like this, for example. Okay, let's check it. or maybe you want 100%, so let's try how it works. Okay, it's full width. Maybe you want opacity, transparency better, so let's do here transparency, like opacity 1. Oops, not opacity, we need to change the background opacity. So let's click inspect with RGBA. Okay, click here on color and just use opacity which you like, for example like this, and write it here. Where is our background color? Here it is, just like this. Okay, now we can do the styles for Lee text align center, for example. Okay, if you want, you can make it centered here, or you can move it here, doesn't matter what you want, you can do it. Basically, the structure for the side menu will be the same. Looks good for me, isn't it? I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to subscribe, check my other tutorials. I'm really trying my best to teach you how to work with code. And have a nice day. Bye bye.